Okay, your turn. Your micro prompt is on screen. Here it is. Opening credits. Murder mystery. Something's wrong. Somebody's missing. You don't know who yet. One rule. Forget the scale. Play the scene. Whatever you'd hear in that movie, that's what your fingers need to find. Go!
That's not improvisation, that's composition.